forward now. Hockey Hawk has been back. All set now, ready to race. Race number 9. Anytime now. Race number 9. Away they go. Kaligatan from the outside. Sanyares Casmira. Moving up by the rally center. Number 1, Ninang Mill. Remus on the outside. Big Pocket Helter Skelter. Down on the inside. Tempress Country Charm. Idol Borong Hockey Hawk third last. And Silver Ridge down on the inside. As they race the last 600. Kaligatan, Casmira, Sanyares, Country Charm. Racing on the outside. Big Pocket Helter Skelter. Hockey Hawk taking the 6th position as they race the final corner. Kaligatan running down on the inside. Casmira, Country Charm to grab the lead this time by about 2 lengths now. Country Charm now burning the tracks by about 5 lengths now. And finally, number 7, Country Charm, Kaligatan, Senyales, Big Pocket, Helter Skelter, and Hockey Hawk.